guys, Tristan here. We got the C5 all shined up and ready for Street Machine weekend. So huge lineup of cars over here. So all the way to my left, there's cars. All the way to my right, more cars. It's insane. So we got Corey over here, got Dwight.
Good job.
Thanks. Got Kayla. Got even more of our Cars and Coffee crew over here. Gotta show off the fan favorites. Mercedes AMG. Jim's R8. Nice.
10 hours drive.
Then the boss's vehicle. Then the most glorious BMW. Bob's new C8, absolutely gorgeous. We're actually gonna take a look.
Can you? It'll go a little bit into the yellow, but then it'll go.
You need to go on a road trip. You need to go somewhere.
With carbon fiber and then the tinted interior pieces now. The speakers and everything are blocked.
70th too.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You jump right inside.
Really? Can I jump in the driver's seat there?
Keys are in it apparently.
Ooh, keys are in it? Oh man. How do you even open this thing?
I thought the wheels were aftermarket.
Oh, it's so low. I thought my car was low. This is insane. Wow. It feels like a spaceship in here.
It does too.
It really does.
You got fuzzy seats.
Yeah. Fuzzy seats are interesting.
Fuzzy seats? This fuzzy? No.
No, this isn't fuzzy.
It's not fuzzy either.
No.
Steering wheel's fuzzy?
Yeah.
Steering wheel fuzzy?
Is your steering wheel fuzzy?
No, no.
I like your steering wheel.
I don't. I'm not.
Yeah. It's okay. It's still awesome.
Yep.
Still great color. But yeah, interesting. And the fun part, how to get out. Oh, okay. That's cool. That thing is low. Wow. Sounds good, looks good. Right, so here's the Z, it's back in action. So Kayla, you gotta show off your new Z. It's back. Show off the rims. Tell me about it.
It's clap.
It's clap.
Yeah.
She's just pretty.
They're shiny.
They are shiny. Oh no. I love it. Yep. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Good.
Dad, you did good. You did good. We're gonna go check out the frickin' ZR1 that's over here. It's been to a Cars and Coffee once or twice. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this thing's a gorgeous car. Still surprises me that it's a frickin' convertible. Doesn't seem right. Oh, absolutely love this car. Gorgeous interior. Yes, want to take a moment to appreciate Kobe's bike here. And rims. Yeah, insane turnout. Got Reese's beautiful red C5. The Jimmy. All right, so we're just getting ready to set up for the cruise. And I have to get in position because I'm taking the pictures. Film the content for this, so we gotta get a little more ahead. Guys, so we're pretty much set in position. We got our our official pace car lights on. We're like officially safe. So time to get the drone up into the air.
escapes you with a sound. It's delineated. I waited at the station for an hour, but I won't make it. You take off on an uptight by each hour, and you overtake it every moment. Maybe can you tell me there's an issue? I've seen it crowded all around you. I hear you tell me there's an issue you've seen before, and I can't tell you why.
We arrived at the House of Cars. Big and gold turnout. Hey guys, so we're gonna finish off with some awesome ice cream from Swirls. Highly recommend. Shout out to the House of Cars, of course, for giving us a lot to watch the show on the main street here on Mammograth. Thanks for everyone coming and showing up, and thanks for everyone that didn't show off, okay? We love these events, so let's keep them, and let's have a great time. Like, subscribe, have an awesome evening.